So we're increasingly becoming a people who are caring more and more about what we're putting into our bodies, but not so much about the condition of where we're storing those items. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I clean and organize my fridge to keep those furry little growing organisms at bay.
Watch me stack the paper, funny how it change up when they see a boy major. I don't cater, cause I just get it in, so I'ma stay up. Uncle Royal said, get your pay up. Chillin' on the block is where they end up. So I don't just grind them every button on the blender.
Okay, so we're gonna start with taking everything out of the fridge. And when you're doing this, sometimes you're going to find things that are growing, things that are stale, things that are in the back of the fridge that you haven't seen in a long time. I like to have a plastic bag so I can just toss those things immediately. Okay, and now you're going to go ahead and spray down the fridge. Just in case you were wondering, I am using a concoction. I use Mrs. Meyer's, I use Mistolin, and I use cleaning vinegar. I like to mix. So you just make sure you wipe down every shelf. If you can remove them, then that will be great. If you can't, then just wipe it as best as you can. Wash out those bins and make sure you dry them very good before you put them in. And I like to use these little compartments, bins in the bin. That way I can keep my stuff separated and nice and organized. Where did I get those from? I believe I got them from Target. Okay, here we go, another nice organizing bin that I like to put my bottled goods in. Things that need to be refrigerated after opening, and I don't just want to keep them scattered all over the place. I like to keep them right here. And if you saw my video on decluttering the cupboards, then you'd know that I really love using these carousels because they're perfect for organizing the cylindrical shaped bottles. Here is a nice little trick. I like to keep my stuff nice and fresh. The canned goods, once you open them, you don't want to leave them in the can. So I like to put them in a mason jar. And the good thing about this is that once you pour it in the mason jar, then you can have a nice dry erase marker and label whatever's inside the jar right there on the lid. Like that. That way you just don't have cans just sitting around in your fridge. That can be annoying and dangerous from what I've heard. And there goes my Weiman stainless steel cleaner. These are the wipes. Oh, they're amazing. And there you have it. The fridge is clean from the inside out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye.